Today is actually Monday, and something happened when I went to the mailbox. I want to throw this into the unpackaging or unboxing video only because it's very relevant. The thing is, I went to the mailbox and put my big brown coat on, went out there, and I saw one of the runners. We have two runners. Now, the two runners, they're old guys, and you can tell them apart only by looking at their running style. One runs very slow, 1, 2, 1, 2, and the other one runs with a little bit of a trot, like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, the slow one is a nice guy. The fast one, a little on the uppity side. All he does when he's running by the fast guy, just keeps on going, which is cool. No beefs. Sometimes he doesn't even wave at you. He just like whatever. But the old guy that's slow, that's somebody. That's the one that when I'm out there and I'm doing the driveway, all of a sudden, when I say doing the driveway, I'm referring to either doing some snow stuff or I'm cutting my grass. And you can tell both these guys are retired. When he's running by, he's like, "Hey, what's up, brother?" I was like, "Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?" And we like converse as he's like slowly running by. It's kind of funny. I love that guy. But this time he saw me going to the mailbox, and he says, "What's up, brother?" I was like, "Hey, what's up, man?" It's like, he's like, "What you doing?" So I'm getting some mail on a Sunday. Got a package coming on a Sunday. And he got his hand out. Everybody, give each other dap and everything. Must be a VIP, man. Must be a VIP, baby. I was like, I'm not a VIP. But I did get a package in the mail. Now let's roll that beautiful bean footage of the unpackaging of this little guy right here. The one with the blue tongue. Okay, I just went to the mailbox and some interesting things. I'm going to move this guy over here this time. Interesting things happened. First, I had a whole bunch of stuff in there, which is cool because sometimes I just don't feel like going to the mailbox. I mean, it's annoying. It's annoying to go to the mailbox in the winter only because in the winter sometimes it's just too cold. I don't want to do it. But this is weird. There was a label on my Wired magazine. And I don't mind labels. I like labels. But this is a bad labeling job where this is not my magazine. This magazine originally it belonged to, I'm not going to give out their whole name, but a person named Peter in Andover, Mass. And I'm saying to myself, Peter, I have your magazine. Do you have my magazine, Peter? I don't know. Why is this relabeled? I do not know. I was saying to myself, I thought my Wired magazine should have been here by now and it hadn't arrived. And all of a sudden it's in the mailbox today, which means it more than likely showed up on Saturday. Today is actually Sunday. It's Sunday, February 16th. Yes. Sunday, February 16th. That is what today is. So I got on Wired magazine. I'm going to check this out later. It should be interesting. The cover is about what will keep us humans when we leave the earth behind. And it looks like an ice cream scoop. That's kind of cute. Okay, so the purpose of this video is actually what's in the package. As you can tell, this is Amazon Prime. And someone said if it comes in Amazon Prime, it's more than likely. If it comes in this package here, you're probably getting the cheapest price you can get it. So the cool part is, I'm just going to go ahead and crack this bad boy open real quick. There's supposed to be a discussion right here. The discussion is, I have a lot of USB devices, storage devices, access to some computers, and my own actual computer. Most of those devices, except for my main computer, does support USB 3.0. But upon looking into moving stuff back and forth and all these other things, I realized that I don't have a USB 3.0 flash drive. So I turned around and looked on the web and found out that USB 3.0 had dropped in price because USB 3.1 came to be. This device here, looking at it right now, oh yes, I love it. This is my new flash drive. Now, a lot of people say, oh, flash drives, they're expensive, blah, 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 blah. They're lying. And the reason I'm saying they're lying is because they didn't go and actually look to see what the prices are. When you are in a retail environment and you walk into a retail store and you look at the retail price, you're going to see the retail price. You buy 32 gigabytes, and this is 128, you buy 32 at a store like your Walgreens, your grocery store, and all these other places, for 32 gigabytes, you're going to pay 24, around 24. Even at Staples, you're going to pay around 20-ish or something like that. But this was 128 gigabytes for $23. 128 gigabytes for $23. Waterproof. Oh, there we go. We got sounds on here. It's waterproof. It's shockproof. Yay. It's magnetic proof. I don't have a magnet around me. It's also temperature proof. I don't know what the degrees is. And it's also X-ray proof. So when you go into the airport and they're scanning everything in your bag, you don't have to really worry too much about this thing here getting its memory zapped. Truthfully, most devices are like that. You don't have to really worry about that. Unless you're walking around with a VHS tape, then you got a problem. So, I wanted this. I got this. It supports speeds up to 300 megabits per second. And I think that's going to show a very big difference because my external hard drives all have the blue tongue. The blue tongue represents USB 3.0 and above. Don't cut your finger. Oh, good move. And when I say the blue tongue, I'm going to unpack this guy here real quick. Wow, that is thin. Ooh, got a little weight to it. But if you look in there, you can't see it. I'm going to take a picture of it so you can see. There is a blue tongue in there. The blue tongue simply means that this little, does it stand up? Can you stand up for me? Yeah, it wobbles a little bit, but that's okay. This little guy right here is super fast. If it has a red tongue or a black tongue or any other color tongue, it means nothing. The blue tongue is the only one, and it's a light blue color. The blue tongue is the only one that represents IM 3.0. That's the end of this unpacking. I think I've yapped enough about this here. The point of this is look around for memory being really, really cheap currently, because we're not at war with a specific country. Therefore, the price is extremely inexpensive because we are not at war with a specific country. And I like not being at war. I like not being at war.